Let me now formally invite our CEO, Mr. M. Shivakumar, CEO of ICT Academy, to deliver the opening address.
Thanks, Anbu. Good morning, everybody. This is 15th or 16th edition? 16th edition, no? அவ்வளோ மறந்துட்டோம் எத்தனாவது எடிஷன் தெரியாது. See, thanks for this gathering. It's a homecoming for me. I'm from Tiruchi, and I feel proud that I'm standing in Tiruchi and standing very tall. And especially after this Mahatraya session, when we kept you all waiting for our chief guest, the Commissioner of Tiruchi, he's on his way. Today morning he has got an urgent phone call, a con call from Chennai. So he's attending it and he's coming, he's on his way. So till that time we thought we will just play the video of Mahatraya Ra session that has happened in Chennai. Those people who missed our ICT Academy's Chennai bridge, where Mahatraya Ra gave a wonderful speech. And I thought this should be an opportunistic occasion for you people to gather some one or two points from that. There he was very, very specifically, I was also listening a bit. He was talking about the communication side of a teacher's importance in communicating the students and making the students communicate. That is more important. So that is what he was telling. So communication play a very vital role in that. In this connection, ICT Academy in this today is the 27th of August, which the day which ICT Academy will never forget in their lifetime. It's the inaugural day of ICT Academy, 2009. As Anbu mentioned, the then Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu inaugurated it. Though I joined a bit about 4 months before, before the starting of this academy, I joined in the month of April, and September was the formal inauguration. In these 5 years, our mandate of ICT Academy is to touch the teachers only, not to touch the students. Because when you touch the students, there are several training organizations, skill development organizations across India, and that's their job, that's their bread and butter, that is their business. ICT Academy is non-profit motive, non-business organization. So there is no point for ICT Academy to touch the students. That was the mandate given to me when I started ICT Academy 5 years back. My board is a very strong board. It consists of Government of India, Government of Tamil Nadu, all the big wigs of the industry, and they are very specific, very focused. They said, you touch only the teachers. So we conducted several programs, innumerable number of FDPs, and this kind of conference started coming up. The first conference was in Chennai. First we decided to touch the 3 places, Chennai, Coimbatore and Madurai. Then slowly we shifted our second year into 3 more smaller cities like Tiruchi, Tirunelveli and Salem. We started going very correctly, but again we touched only the teachers. Last board meeting of ICT Academy, we decided, the board has given me a permission to touch the students. Then I realized there is a big difference that is happening. The student power, day to day you people are seeing, which ICT Academy is not seeing. We are not teachers. You people are having that kind of a connection with the students. Only one occasion ICT Academy saw the power of students. It was in 13th of this month at Coimbatore. Some of you must have attended our Coimbatore Youth Summit, where thousands of students participated, and a big conference that has happened in Codicea, which changed the thinking process of ICT Academy. Now we thought we must go very strongly in ICT Academy, in the youth side, in the student side. Now that we have a mandate also to touch the students, I think this year onwards, we will be focusing more towards students, and let us also get the same pleasure as you people. Daily you people are watching the strength of the students. Let us also get the strength of the students from this year onwards. So this Tiruchi edition of Bridge, I declare that ICT Academy will focus more towards youth. That is my first message. Definitely we will touch more towards youth. In this process, my job takes me to various colleges across Tamil Nadu. I thought it will be relevant if I tell one or two instances that has happened in the last week. I visited one college in Tiruchangod, KSR Engineering College. I think some of the professors of a KSR is also here. I met them in the morning. I also wanted to have a lot of interactive session with the students because that was a student EDC, Entrepreneur Development Cell inauguration. I was the chief guest over there. There I asked two questions, very specific questions, very clear communicator that I am. I asked two questions. The first question, which I recommend you also to have an interactive session with your teacher, with your students. The first question was, I asked the students, how many of your father or mother or the breadwinner are entrepreneurs, தொழில் முனைவோர், வேலைக்கு போய் சம்பளம் வராம நீங்களே இருக்கிறது எவ்வளவு பேரு? Just wanted the dipstick study from that. Raise your hands, I said. To my surprise, more than 80% of the people raised their hand. The same question, if I were to ask a Chennai-based college, or a Madurai-based college, or a Tirunelveli-based college, things would be different. Tamil Nadu, inside Tamil Nadu, there are several pockets having strength. Madurai-based, perhaps farmers may be more. In Chennai, maybe the working class people may be more. In Kongu Nadu side, it is the entrepreneurial spirit. So that's the first question. Since it is an entrepreneurial development cell, EDC inauguration, I thought of motivating the students to become an entrepreneur. And there is no need for me to do that because their first hero for anybody is their parent. They will see the parent and see what they are doing and they will follow. That's generally the case. That is why people say, no, நீங்க கொஞ்சம் ஒழுக்கமா இருங்க அப்பதான் உங்க குழந்தைங்க ஒழுக்கமா இருப்பாங்கன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So அதனால people take it from their parent side only. So obviously these guys will become parents. This is the first dipstick study the question which I asked. The second question is for you also to understand, for me also to understand. In recently about 1 week, you must have read in newspapers, there are several controversial things and very negative, minus rape, Middle East problem, so many other problems apart. There are some good things are also happening. That is called that e-commerce, the development of e-commerce as an industry that is happening in India in a big way. One side there is a Flipkart coming up, Snapdeal coming up, and Amazon is coming up in a big way from US. And everyone sees India as a huge potential for e-commerce. I had a doubt that e-commerce is only for the city-bred students or the people. You know, down south or smaller villages, e-commerce may not be that relevant. That was my initial thought. Tiruchangodu by no mean a big town. It's a small town. And Tiruchangodu, that particular college, I asked one question. I asked the students, it's about 250 to 300 students. For this kind of a study, a small group is enough. It's only a sampling. I asked the student, in the last 1 year, how many of you have attempted to purchase anything from an e-commerce site? Mind you, more than 60% of the people raised their hand. It's a revelation to me. Now I come to the point in which I want to talk. The kids that you are seeing them daily are not the people that we are as a student. We in this place 60s born, 70s born people are here, I suppose. Majority of the people are 1 or 2 50s born, but many of you are 60 born. I am a 60 born, 60s born, and 70s born people are here. And you are touching 80s born and 90s born, about 20, 25 years difference. Lot of things that are happened in the 25 years. The gap between the two generations are very wide, wider than the one which our father and myself. My grandfather graduated in 1918 from this very town, from St. Joseph's College. My father graduated from this very town in National College. I graduated from Chennai. My son graduated from this very town, next to this town, Shastra. So there are 4 generations that went through. But my father and my grandfather and father, there is no big difference in terms of thinking process. With my father and myself, not much of a difference. I also think the same way. But myself and my son, a lot of difference. When I am asking something, he is telling something. The next generation is very, very different. And you guys are daily meeting that generation. They are into Flipkart. They are into YouTubes. They are into information is in their hand. They are having smartphones. In our generation, we don't even have an analog phone. When my son got when my wife delivered our son, I got the news so late because, and that too, she is from Virugambakam. There is a small outlet in Chennai, and I lived in Magalingapuram, which is about 5 kilometers difference. I didn't have any phone in my house. So do my wife. My wife also don't have a house, telephone. So that delivery of my son, I received the news 4 hours later. Then I took a cab and then went there and saw that my son. But now it is not the case. Every minute, WhatsApp, there is a news coming up. Today, what is happening? People are talking of ice bucket challenge. Now, yesterday, somebody said rice bucket challenge. And it goes viral. Information is going in a different way. The generation that you people are seeing is different. So, you need to be very careful in addressing their needs. So technology summit, what is there available? Otherwise, we will become redundant. We require ICT Academy, definitely. Now you know the difference. Now you know why ICT Academy is striving for all these things. Unless we are equipped, there is no point that we will be teaching our kids in the way they want. I think today it is a very relevant, ICT Academy is a very relevant, every bridge program is very relevant. And we need to take it to the next level, and this you must make it as a, because you people are not just ordinary people. You are the guys creating the next gen. It's a very important one. You can't be, lethargic. You should be communicative, like Mahatria Ra said. We need to change. There is no way that we can deviate from this. ICT Academy will be there 5 years, 50 years, 500 years. Till everyone changes. I was just talking with Anbu this morning. We must do something viral. Like how this rice bucket that changed yesterday. That one housewife from Hyderabad. Why rice bucket challenge? It's a bloody nonsense. When we can take rice bucket, when we can give something, one day there is a change. Social media makes such a difference. You people should be having social media. I'm seeing Uma. 100 times. You just see connecting the students with the management. What best PAPSET is doing. I think everyone has to take that. This is a very important one, and this is it's an order of the day. I urge everyone to be very tech savvy, because your generation and the next generation are totally different. With this positive information, the speakers down the line, and now I have from TCS, and he is going to talk on what is the expectation from TCS and how the technology is moving, and all these technological things I think he will be touching upon. and rows of speakers. And I was just mentioning how many speakers that we took from the industry in the last 5 years. I asked Amarnath, I wanted to know the statistics of number of speakers in Bridge alone. Forget about other conferences of ICT Academy. Only Bridge. 123 people from the industry have come only to Bridge. All new faces. There is no repetition. It is very tough. You know, you should, first of all, ICT Academy's success is that people are taking time out from their day-to-day and coming and sitting here. For what? To take up this. It's an important one. You know, next generation creation. And they are giving their support. But for the industry support, I don't think ICT Academy will be here surviving. And you people should be in the receiving side. I think you should grab the entire day and take everything to the students and make the students perfectly well placed in the society, make India very strong. ICT Academy is proud to be part of this particular initiative. Thank you so much.